Good afternoon, great people. Hope we are doing well and we are blessed this afternoon and our day is going as we planned it. All right, my name is Garrantee Elijah. I actually made a post a day ago where I stated clearly that hookup does not guarantee financial freedom. Rather, it will hook up your destiny. Now, on this subject, I am so pained whenever I ponder on this issue. It's like one who, with an office pin, you pierce it through his skin. That is how hurting this issue is to me as a person, and I actually decided to speak on it. You know, when it's regard this issue of hookup, a lot of persons may think that it is only the female generation, the female young generation that is affected. But I am able to let us know that the young men are still involved in this issue, and is so disturbing seeing a generation that the nation is having a lot of hope in, considering the fact that any nations that wants to grow, her hope is actually on her young generation. Doing this or involving themselves into this lifestyle that is unimaginable. For those who do not really know what this is all about, hookup is a kind of a lifestyle where people bring their genitals on the table and they negotiate it for mere financial gain, which is unspeakable. It's unspeakable. I must tell us, is something that one cannot really imagine how it all started. As a young person, the potentials that are in you are worth more than gold that is beneath the earth crust. What you have inside of you, the gift, the talent, the zeal to innovate, the abilities, you can actually spring forth to make fortune for yourself, is so great than gold that is below the earth crust. There are so many things that a young man can involve himself into, a young woman can involve herself into, and you can build a fortune for yourself. You can look deep into this and forget about this whole issue of negotiating your genitals for money. For what essence? And this kind of lifestyle has a very, very dangerous disadvantage to you, your person, your personality, your biological body system, and even to your own future, your family, and everybody that is around you. The disadvantage are too numerous. So this afternoon I am here to let us know, those who are involved in this kind of lifestyle, that you should desist from it. That kind of lifestyle is too awkward for you who is carrying a nation inside of you, who is carrying an empire inside of him, inside of her, negotiating your body for money. What kind of life would you live with the money you are negotiating with your genitals? Your genitals are not money-making machines. Your genitals are for the purpose of recreation. Your genitals are for your biological system to work well as God designed them. They are not to be used on a table of financial negotiations. Not at all. When you indulge yourself into that, you are breaking yourself down and you are cutting yourself off your greater destiny that is within and that is ahead of you. I would like to let you know that if you are involved in the practice and the lifestyle of hookup, one, you're going to contract diseases that probably the money that you tend to make from it will not be able to cure you of that disease. Is it the situations that we have seen? People who are involved in such practices, they leave their homes for so-called business and they do not return back alive. Should I remind you of that? Is it thousands of young ladies, hundreds of young men that have gone out in the name of, I am going out to make money with my body, and they are brought home being mad and their cycle be tempered with? Is that what I should remind you about? Do not negotiate your body because of money. Those people who are involved in such practices are people who have not boosted their mind, who have not actually looked deep within them to see the potentials that they have. You can do better and do bigger things for yourself than bringing yourself to a level where people negotiate your body and at the end of the day they pay you peanuts. Are you not feeling the pain? Are you not feeling and seeing that there is something that you are missing out of life? I am here to tell you that if you are one who is involved, either you are a young man, you are a young lady, you are involved in the practice and the lifestyle of negotiating your genitals for money, stop it. That is not life. I am speaking from the bowel of my heart I am speaking from the heart of a young man who is pained over what the young generation is involving herself into. The pain is much within me. Please, you have a better life ahead of you. Your parents died while you were young. There is nobody to help you. It's not an excuse for you to involve yourself in the practices and the lifestyle of hookup. Your uncles, your sibling abandon you. It's like the world is on your head. That is not an excuse. There are a lot of persons who were born to this earth. They did not see their fathers, they did not see their mothers. But today, their story is not looking like who they are. You can rewrite your story. You can change your destiny to becoming a better person and a better version of you. So I leave you with these words of encouragement that hookup is not a guarantee for financial freedom. Rather, it will hook up your destiny. The potentials that are in you are greater than the value of a mineral called gold that is beneath the earth crust. Rewrite your story. Thank you for listening to me. And I know that this will change your mindset and you will look inward and see the great potential that is inside of you. God bless you. I will see you again.